Moisture in the air and humidity can be a problem for confectionery manufacturing. First of all, because most of the ingredients used in the first place are powders. These powders can be hygroscopic, and often they're stored in silos and bins which can be prone to condensation or high moisture levels. Furthermore, when these products are transported using pneumatic transport, this can again lead to condensation of water, which will result in caking and blockages which are difficult to clean. Also, if the environment is too wet, mold and bacteria can gain a foothold and they can contaminate the end product. For jellies, they have their own particular challenges. Most importantly, they need careful drying for the correct mouthfeel. The way you would bite into the product is essential. You have to control temperature and humidity during the drying process. Temperature control is fairly easy. Humidity control varies depending on the time of day and year. So you may find you have good product quality in a dry winter, but not so good when you reach the wet summertime days. Licorice does need special treatment. It's a cooked product, and as a result, it requires both cooling and drying. The temperature control part is not so difficult. Humidity control is very important though for the product consistency and again for the mouthfeel because of the final water content that will be contained in the product. Munters can help with filled sweets with hard coatings by improving the quality of the pan coating process. Pan coating is often used in these areas using a syrup spray in an air jet. By controlling the temperature and humidity of that air jet, you have much more consistent drying of layers. Much smoother and attractive products come out of this process as a result, resulting in less variations. Also, the drying improves the capacity of this process overall. You can have a performance boost without installing extra pans or equipment and losing valuable floor area. Controlled climate with a sustained low humidity. It's really important looking at the whole of the production area. It can't really be treated in isolation. We need to look at areas which are connected, which are separated out in some way, and then to try and factor in everything that happens. Some processes will need more precise control than others, and we have to look at the balances of pressure between those. And honestly, sometimes it can be as simple as closing the door at the right time to ensure that you do not have ingression from one area to another. The benefits of controlling the humidity in the factory are huge. First of all, for hygiene and control of mold and bacteria, microbial growth, very, very important, probably the most important thing. Cosmetically, we can help confectioners to improve the quality, the look and the feel of the product, and even the things such as the mechanical handling when it's going through packaging stages. Controlling condensation and icing and cooling processes is a big energy saving, and again, removes a hygiene risk. And then back to the powders at the beginning of the process. Their storage and movement within silos and bins is very important for all the ongoing processes. So in closing, I'd say that any place where humid air can come into contact with the product, we have a solution that will help.